Hi, welcome at Hawk Academy. Today I discuss about basic Excel tutorial which help you to learn your basic Excel for your data analysis career. Here you see that 10 matters in Excel basic. Okay, who are newly come or who are newly try to learn Excel basic, and this video for those person. Okay, and here you see that 10 matters such as the Excel screen, row column cells, scroll bar, tabs, ribbon, quick access toolbar, name box, formula bar, and zoom, sheet, file name, etc. This is very basic for Excel user. Okay, now I show you how you use perfectly this 10 item. Here you see a blank Excel format. Okay, and this is quick access toolbar. Okay, this name is quick access toolbar, and this is called ribbon bar. Okay, this whole name are called ribbon bar, and I'll try to show you how you use this. First of all, if you want to shortcut anything, you can keep it here by customizing from your tab. First of all, you have to go here. Here is option, and you can quick access any toolbar from tab, and I'll discuss in next video. Okay, and so this is Excel screen, and this is called row. Okay, this is called row. This is called row. Here is vertical. This is called row, and this is column. This is column. Okay, column, and the name of this area is called cell. This is every cell. Okay, you can see that the cell name are changes. You see that C1, it means C1 are here, and the cell name is D1, and the cell name is E1. Okay, and you see that this is file are everything in here, and this is insert. Okay, you can use everything from this area, and this is page layout. You can choose or customize your page layout from here, and this is formula bar, and you can use the formula from here, and this is data. Okay, and here you see that in right, this is scroll bar. You can up down your face by the scroll bar. Okay, and this is also scroll bar. One is horizontal and one is vertical. Okay, you can use this scroll bar, and you can moving your text or face. Okay, and now I show you tab how you use it. First of all, you have to go file and go option and quick access toolbar. Okay, and customize ribbon. Customize ribbon, you see that this is main tabs. Okay, all tabs, main tabs, and tool tabs. You can customize your quick access. If you see that home, clipboard, font, alignment, number, style, cell, editing, add-ins. Okay, and you can get it in exactly from home bar. Here you see that clipboard, font, alignment, number, style. If you want to quick access this front option in here, you can customize in this area. Okay, this is tab and ribbon. Okay, this is ribbon area. Here you can customize your anything such as this is first option. Okay, and this is coffee option, and this is card option. Okay, and everything. This is ribbon area, and this is quick access toolbar. Okay, this is quick access toolbar. You can keep it here, the quick access any tool. Okay, this is name box. Name box means you can find out your cell location in Excel file. Okay, this is column, this is row, and you can find out your name reference or cell reference from here. And if you cursor here or write anything, okay, write anything, and you can find out how your cell are located. Okay, and you cursor here you see that C12 means this column are C, and 12 means row are 12. Okay, this is row number 12 and C number column. You can easily locate your cell. Okay, and now I'll try to explain you the formula bar, and this is formula bar. Okay, and you can large or expansion as your preference. Okay, and formula bar mainly used for edit or correction or your formula, such as this is text, and you can edit or you can write anything here. Okay, through formula bar. And or if you use any formula such as sum, okay, sum, you can use this number or plus other one. Okay, you can use through this formula bar, and you also edit from here formula bar. Okay, everything you can use this formula bar. And now zoom means how you expand or small your screen. Okay, here you can zoom small size. Okay, and you can expansion by plus size. You see that plus 110, 113, 114, and you also small 60, 80, 90, 50. And you also view your through this here various option. This is you can see the face option, or you can see also face your text out of face or inside our face. And this is full Excel view, and you also see that the face option are clearly show in here. Okay, and when we try to print out or we try to face view, and you or add anything in header or footer, and you can option in here, and you can if you can print out this anything, and you can or face setup, you can use this function. Okay, this is zoom option. You can large or expansion or small your file. Now sheet name. Okay, this is sheet name here, and I can copy this, or I can create any sheet. Okay, I can create various sheet from here. This is sheet 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and I can write or customize this here. This is Hawk Academy. Okay, 1, and I can also write here Hawk Academy 2. Okay, and also this is everything sheet are individual in here. Okay, and I can convert it in folder such as, and I can save it in desktop, my desktop. Okay, I can save it my desktop, and okay, save it my desktop, and I can create a folder such as, I can create a folder such name is Hawk Academy. Okay, and I also save this folder in save as and browse and desktop show. Okay, Hawk Academy, I can save it here. Okay, after creating any folder or sheet name, you can save your file in safely. Okay, so this is today's Excel basic lesson. Hope that you understand well, and stay tuned with Hawk Academy.